Hello guys, so welcome to another episode of my journey of becoming a certified chef. So for today we're making crispy cheesy potato fries. I started by peeling 6 large potatoes. Please be patient with me. This voiceover is going to be chaotic. There's a whole lot of noise in the background and I don't have a mic, so I'm just trying to manage my life. I don't have money for my kids. So I had to cut the potato in chunks because I wanted it to cook fast. So I cut it in chunks, then washed it. Then afterwards I transferred it to a pot, added water. Then I went in with some salt and a little bit of vegetable oil and I brought it to a boil. Please, if you're enjoying the journey so far and you're enjoying the videos, please do well to like and subscribe, to encourage my ministry. So I had to dice my cheese in small chunks. Those are locally made cheese, by the way. I made them myself. So when the potatoes were already soft, I took them out of heat. While they were still hot, I proceeded to mash in the potatoes. Then I seasoned with cayenne pepper, white pepper, a bit of corn flour, and that was it. It was already salted, but I didn't want to over salt it, so I mixed up everything thoroughly. Then I had to bring up my complete ingredients. I had to crack in 2 eggs into a plate and I whisked the egg with a fork. Then that's over there is my breadcrumb, this is my cheese, my potato. So I had to mold the potato. I scooped that a little in my palm, opened it in middle, put in a cheese, and folded it together. Afterwards, I ran it through the egg, back into the breadcrumb, then back into the egg, and in the breadcrumb I double dipped it. I dipped some more, then I proceeded to frying. For the frying, I had to use a medium-high heat. It was not too high and it was not too low. Now, if you're frying, please do well to apply temperature control. Don't just put it on high heat and leave it there. Try as much as possible to be checking to make sure that you're not burning the stuff, the oil is not overheating. And this is what it looks like. It was so good. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know you are here, you're watching, you are active, so I can make more videos. Thank you.